Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to budget with Rocket Money step by step. If you're new to Rocket Money, the budget feature is a great way to organize your spending and keep track of where your money goes. You can create budget categories, adjust spending limits, and monitor your expenses more easily. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now go to the official Rocket Money website. Log into your Rocket Money account. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll down until you find the Budget Categories section. This is where you can set up and manage your budget. You can edit your existing budget categories or create new ones based on your spending habits. For example, you can set separate budgets for groceries, dining, shopping, transportation, entertainment, bills, and other expenses. You can also adjust the spending limit for each category, depending on how much you plan to spend every month. Using the budget feature makes it easier to see where your money is going and helps you stay within your monthly spending limit. You can update your budget categories whenever your financial goals or spending habits change. This feature is especially useful for tracking expenses, planning your monthly budget, and managing your finances more effectively. And that's it. This is how you can budget with Rocket Money step by step. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.